In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate financial reports in Freshbooks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, which report to pick, how to fine-tune it with filters, and how to export or share it with others. Let's start from your main Freshbooks dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections. Find the option labeled Reports and click on it. This is the central hub where all of your financial and accounting reports live, so you'll be coming back here often whenever you need insights into your business. Now that you're in the Reports section, it's time to choose the type of report you want. At the top, you'll usually see a Favorite Reports area. If you're looking for a quick financial overview, choose either the Profit and Loss report or the Balance sheet. The Profit and Loss report shows your income, expenses, and net profit for a specific period, making it great for seeing how your business is performing over time. The balance sheet, on the other hand, gives you a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a particular point in time. If your goal is to keep an eye on what you're spending, scroll down to the section labeled Invoice and Expense Reports and select Expense Report. This is helpful for tracking where your money is going and for reviewing spending by category or vendor. For deeper accounting detail, look for the Accounting Reports section and click on General Ledger. This report shows a detailed transaction history line by line, which is especially useful if you need granular information for bookkeeping or for your accountant. Once you've chosen a report, you'll want to tailor it to your needs. Look for a button labeled Filters or sometimes Settings. Click that to open up your options. Start by setting the date range. You can choose common presets like this month or last year, or select a custom range if you're preparing a report for a specific period, like a quarter or a tax year. Next, use the Group By option to organize the data in a way that makes sense for you, such as grouping by category or by client. You can also use the Limit To option to narrow the report down to specific clients. When you're working with an expense report, you'll also see an option to exclude personal expenses, which helps keep business-only data clean and ready for professional use. After you've reviewed the report on screen and you're happy with how it looks, you can export or share it. Go to the top right corner of the report and click on More Actions. From here, choose Export for Excel if you want to download a CSV file that you can open in spreadsheet software and manipulate further. If you prefer a more polished, ready-to-share format, choose Print. This will let you save the report as a PDF or send it directly to a printer. Finally, if you want to send the report to someone else straight from Freshbooks, click Send and enter the email address you want to share it with. This is especially handy for sending reports to clients, partners, or your accountant without downloading anything first. And that's it. You've navigated to the Report section, selected the right type of report, fine-tuned it with filters, and exported or shared it in the format you need.